iFont is a free app you can use to download fonts onto your iPad. You have access to different founders such as DeFont and FontSpace. Make sure to check the license if it's free for personal use or commercial if you want to use it, to sell anything. But most are definitely free for personal use, and then you can simply click on download, import, and continue browsing, or import if you want to continue directly. Then you can click on the install button. Then just continue with the instructions, so allow in this case. Click close, and then you'll be navigated back to your settings where you can actually install the profile. So it'll let you open settings via this button here, and then within your actual iPad settings, under more for your iPad, you can go to profile downloaded, click on view profile, and then that new font will pop up. You just have to install it, enter your passcode real quick, and then click on install again. And now you're done. Just click on done, and now the font is installed in your iPad.